This is eyelash mites. They are tiny creatures that live on the eyelashes of most people. They are so small that they can only be seen with a microscope. Eyelash mites are not harmful and do not cause any health problems. Eyelash mites are thought to be passed from person to person. Through close contact, they may also be spread through shared towels, pillows, or other personal items. Eyelash mites do not have a mouth, so they cannot bite or transmit diseases. They feed on the oils and dead cells that are found on the surface of the eyelashes. Most people do not have any symptoms of eyelash mite infestation. However, some people may experience itchiness, redness, or swelling of the eyelids.